If you were to promote the beauty of the city of Caloocan, how would you highlight it to the artistic expressions in your community? Hello, I'm Romel B. Aguilar II, and this is my report for art appreciation. Our barangay is Barangay 178, Zone 15, located in Area D, Camarin, which now belongs to the 3rd District in the city of North Caloocan. In the beginning, I can say that our barangay was a simple, beautiful, and peaceful place where only a few houses and few residents could be seen. It was similar to a province where most of the areas could be seen as grasslands with many beautiful plants and large trees. There were hardly any cemented or asphalt road yet, and some houses had simple appearance. I, as a part of our community, have been living here in our barangay for 52 years since I was a child. As time has passed, I remember the place called Kiko, where we would watch some soldiers or AFP members jumping from helicopter for their training. The place Kiko got its name from Mang Kiko, whose real name was Francisco Francisco. Back then, jeepneys from Novaliches town only went as far as crossing of Sapote Road and Camarin Road. And before long, they started going all the way to Mang Kiko's house, which was at the corner of Sampaloc Street corner, Camarin Road. Since the jeepney's routes marker was Mang Kiko's house, the place eventually came to be called Kiko. In this report, I will not be discussing our entire barangay. Instead, I will focus on a specific area within our community that is truly filled with art. This place is a part of Barangay 178 Camarin, which we call Kiko. And the specific part of the community I am referring to is the School of Camarin D Elementary School. This school is an integral part of our community, and it's where I completed my elementary education, known as CADES or Camarin Area D Elementary School. It falls under the big school category, meaning it is quite large and has a huge student population. I describe this school as being rich in creativity because the moment you enter, you are immediately greeted by beautiful designs. You will see murals, handicraft, paintings, and other stunning decoration that are truly a feast for the eyes of both students and visitors. The minds behind these designs are incredibly creative, and one can truly appreciate the artistry found within the school. Being surrounded by these beautiful works of art brings a sense of peace. It feels as if your worries fade away and your mind becomes calm just by looking at them. I believe that this school is something the city of Caloocan can truly be proud of. It is a place we can showcase because of its magnificent art, to the point that whenever Caloocan is mentioned, this school might just be the first thing that comes to mind. As someone who studied here and grew up in the Caloocan, I can honestly say that I am proud of Camarindi Elementary School. Therefore, I would like to urge the teachers, parents, and students to continue preserving its beauty and maintaining its cleanliness. Let us take care of this school so that everyone who visits will always remember that Caloocan is home to such a wonderful institution. Thank you very much.